stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. For the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rollers and all bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Please welcome Ashley Bonillo, our United Student Body President.
Please be seated. Good evening, fellow graduates, faculty, family, and friends. My name is Ashley Bonillo, and it is a privilege